What's up guys, I'm CM and we're back for another Beyblade video. Let's go! So what we have here today is the Uranus 230Wd, and so ito siya. So, buksan na natin ito. So, yung launcher natin. Parts. Yung bay. Oh, buksan siya. So, ito yung pinaka-bay. Yung tali ng launcher. Kunin natin yung ibang parts. So yung sticker. So gagamitin natin yun mamaya. Yung lock. And yung track at yung tip. Nakadikit na silang dalawa, no? So ito yung mga parts ng bay natin, no? So ito yung tattooed face ni the Uranus. So yan siya. Yung energy wheel, yung metal wheel niya. So yung bay pala na to is meron siyang dalawang mode, so attack mode and stamina mode kung nakikita nyo yun. So itatapat nyo lang tong bakal na to doon sa mode na yun para magamit nyo siya. Example is ganyan, stamina mode yan, and then ito attack mode yan. So ayun, so ito naman is yung ating spin track, tapos yung tip natin na wide defense. So ayun, so buuin na natin to bay na to. So, ito na yung the Uranus natin. So, next up naman natin is yung stickering niya. So, let's go! So, ito na yung finished product ng the Uranus natin, guys. So, next up naman natin is yung kanyang test bin. So, let's go! fade. The one and only Beyblade spin, spin, spinning on the top, spin,
spin, spin till you drop. It's the future, invaders, new generation of bladers. We stronger and faster. Combine our bays and be the master. Spin, spin, spinning on the top. Spin, spin, spin till you drop. Strategies are playing, knock you off balance, dominate, obliterate the next challenge. I'm undefeated.